Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into the DCL commands in SQL, which stand for the Data Control Language. The Data Control Language includes the grant and revoke, these two commands. These commands are used to control access to data in a database, helping to ensure security and proper user permissions. Let's see the grant command. The grant command in SQL is used to give specific permissions or privileges to users on various database objects like tables, views, and procedures. These permissions could be things like ability to select, insert, update, or delete the data in a database. Now, let's talk about the revoke command. The revoke command in SQL used to remove or take away permissions that were previously granted to user. If a user no longer needs certain permissions, the revoke command is used to revoke them. Let's start with the example. First up, we will check the existing table here. For example, if you want to grant a user named John permissions to select data from the table called stud, we will write the command like this: grant select on stud, table name stud, to the another user is John. Semicolon, enter. You can see the message here, grant succeeded. Now we want to give other permissions also. So we type the command grant. Suppose we want to give select and insert command. Then insert on table name stud to John. So here we have give to insert permissions also. Grant succeeded. Let's suppose we want to give all permissions to the John user. Let's type the command grant all on table name stud to John user. Semicolon, enter. So here we have given to all permissions to the John user. Now we will see the revoke command. By the example, we will revoke the all permissions which we have given to John user. One by one we revoke the permissions. And let's type the command revoke select on table name stud from the username which is John. SQL command not properly ended. Again type the command. You can see the message here, revoke succeeded. Now we will take revoking all the permissions from the John user. Let's type the command revoke all on table name stud from the John user. Semicolon, enter. Now here we have revoking the all permissions which we have given to the John user. Here the John will no longer be able to query the stud table. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos.